Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-28009 error in Oracle Database 12c. So here you can see that I have opened the SQL Plus editor. So I am trying to log in as a SYS. Okay, so simply type the SYS ORA-28009. Connection as SYS should be as SYSDBA or SYSOPER. So what is the problem here is, if you log in as a SYS means, so you should type like this, SYS as SYSDBA. So username should be SYS as SYSDBA, then provide the password. Now you can see that I can able to log in as a SYS as SYSDBA. So this I can show in SQL Developer also. So let me show this in SQL Developer. So simply I am typing SYS, providing the password. Test. You can see that same ORA-28009 error is got. Okay, so in drop down role name select SYSDBA. That is a fix for this issue in SQL Developer.